How to create QR code for Google Form. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open the Google Form you want to create a QR code of. Then click on the copy link icon at the top right. Click on shorten URL. After it's shortened, press on copy. After you've pressed on copy in here, click on Canva at the top. After you've logged into your Canva account, click on Create at the left side. In here, scroll down. On the left side, you'll find Custom Size. Click on it and add width 1080 and height 1080. Press on Create New Design. After you've pressed on Create New Design, on the left side, scroll down and click on Apps. After you click on Apps, at the top, search QR Code Generator. Then you'll find all these options. Click on QR Code. Press on Copy. In here, paste the URL you copied earlier from the form and press on Generate Code. After you do this, code will be generated. Then you can resize the code as you want and save it. This is how to create QR code for Google Form. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.